welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today I have my February 2021 update for Project 10 Uses. This was created by Phoebe HB, inspired by Melissa Gold, and really brought to the forefront by Paula from A Beauty Guru Made Me Do It. I'm going to have all three of those ladies listed below if you want to go check them out. And let's get into this update. I just started this in October. I was late jumping on this bandwagon because I had so much going on. Last year was a train wreck, dumpster fire, whatever you want to call it. And I just was not on my panning game last year until I kind of got my stuff together in the later part of the year. So yeah, I decided I wanted to tackle this project to kind of help rotate through some of my stuff. My intro was roulette style, and whoo, I got a lot of eyeshadow. I'm still working on some of the ones from my intro, but I digress. It is what it is. And now I am hand picking what I think will fit into what I'm already panning, because I don't want to shoot myself in the foot, so to speak. I want to keep my panning momentum going, but I want to supplement and enjoy things with it. So without further ado, let's get into this update. I'm going to go in the order that they were on my list, and let's see how I did. The first one is Sinful Colors Taupe is Chic Nail Polish. This is one everyone seemed to really enjoy whenever I wore it on my nails. It is a satin finish, but I did put a micro glitter, peachy top coat on it, and that made all the difference in the world. I actually got 10 uses out of this. This was brand new when I brought it into 10 uses, and look at the progress. I am quite impressed with it. I enjoyed this. I may actually consider putting that in Project Polish next year. I'm kind of feeling out what I want to work on for next year already. I know I'm crazy because it's February. So that's just how I roll. That's how I roll. So Taupe is Chic is rolling out after 10 uses, and I will be rolling in another product for that. So the next one is Bare Minerals Vine. It is a mineral eyeshadow. It looks like this. It is a really pretty color, and I am up to 7 uses on this. So hopefully I can have those last 3 uses done by the next update. That is the goal. The next one is not faring so well. This is the Coastal Scents Sage Blue Mica Pigment. I have too many blues going on in my life, and yes, I'm wearing blue today because I'm panning blues this year, and I am still only at 3 uses on this one. I don't think I used this at all in the last month, and I totally blame it on Deck of Panning because I have this blue eyeshadow that I need to pan, and I have another blue eyeshadow in here, and then another blue eyeshadow in the Panner's pan. I got a lot of blue going on, and y'all know how I love my blues. I like to wear them on my person. I don't like to wear them on my face. So, all right. Moving on to Midas Gold. That is a Coastal Scents Hot Pot. I actually have a little dip going in that one. I'm kind of excited about that. I am up to 8 uses on this. I do think I can probably get those last 2 uses by the next update. Maybe. I don't know. We'll see if I'm in a yellow gold mood. Speaking of yellow, Sunbeam, also from Coastal Scents. And this one I am up to 5 uses. I did use both of those in the past month. I can't remember how many times, but they did actually get some usage since the last update. This next one is definitely going to be rolling out next time because this is Blue Hawaiian, and it looks kind of teal turquoise in here, but it applies blue because it actually has a little bit of a shift to it. And yeah, it looks blue on my eyes. It doesn't there, but for some reason on my eyes, it pulls blue. You know, I actually do have it tapped in the middle of this blue look today because, you know, I wanted to go from the darker blue into the gold without it being like a harsh line. So I do have it on today. So 9 uses on that, which I'm very happy about. This next one, I'm kind of sad that it's rolling out. It is one of my favorite colors. It's probably in my top 10 of the Coastal Scents Hot Pot Shimmers. This is Forest Eve. I love it. I love these kind of greens, these deep foresty greens. Yellow greens I really like a whole lot. I did get my 10 uses on this, so sadly that one is rolling out. It's got a nice dip in it. That could be in a future project. I don't know if I can fit it in this year, but yeah, that's one I definitely want to play with some more. All right, moving on to one that I didn't use at all. It got rolled in last time. This is Bare Minerals Present. It is like this peachy color, and I just haven't used it because, I don't know, I'm a slacker. For the next one, Bare Minerals Hugs, also rolled in last time. This one is a very pale, like lavender color. It's just got a hint of purple to it. I really like this one a whole lot. I actually used this 3 times in the past month, so go me. And the last one, I'm surprised because this got rolled in last time. This is ColourPop eyeliner in Prance, and yeah, it's blue. And I actually am wearing it today. I have it on my upper lash line, and then I have the black over top of it, so you can kind of see a little peeking out, but it's not like in your face, no pun intended. I have used this 9 times since I rolled it in last month, which is crazy. Like, I know we are not tracking like progress, like lines, but I did mark where it started, and look at the difference. 9 times. Yeah, this one's definitely going to be rolled out next time. Surprisingly, even though it's a blue eyeliner, I'm enjoying it. I really am. So that's definitely going to be worked on after this project. I'm going to put it in my drawer of things that I want to pan next, so to speak. I have a drawer where I keep those kinds of things where I if I can fit them into a project where they work with the theme, the color, they're not conflicting with something else, then I'm going to go for those products first. That's definitely going to go in that drawer. So I have 8 rolling over. I have 2 that are rolling out. So I have to roll in 2 things. I rolled out a nail polish and an eyeshadow. I am not rolling in any more polishes because of Project Polish. I already have 15 polishes that I'm looking at right there. Plus I have like half a dozen in other projects. I don't need any more nail polish in any projects. So in place of the nail polish, I'm actually going to roll in an e.l.f. cream eyeliner. This is in the color Copper, and this is what it looks like. Figured that could go with some of my warm tones, and yeah, I've had this forever, and it still works. I think it does. I haven't worn it in a while, but this other one I got for Christmas. This is ColourPop Jelly Mutt Shadow in Mojave Moves. I'm going to open it up for you. I love the Jelly Mutt shadows, and yes, they do dry out a little bit, but they're easy to revive with contact solution, saline solution, or whatever. This is what it looks like. I have only swatched it, and I'm excited to use this as a topper because that's really what it's designed for. Let me get a little bit and swatch it for you. The pigmentation for just the tiniest little swatch, like I have it all over my fingers now. Look at how pretty that is. I cannot wait. It has like that wet look. I'm excited about it. So 10 uses on that one, and we will see how she goes. I'm excited to be working on 2 new things, and hopefully I will have some more rollouts and roll-ins for the next update. All right, I am going to wrap this up. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and until I see you in my next video, have a beautiful day.